become marketable is Bachelor of Statistics in Kenya. Will you get a job, or you are just coming to tarmac for 20 years? How are those who graduated earlier faring? There's so many questions lingering among those ones who have completed Form 4 and are yet to join university. There are those ones who want to choose courses. Now, statistics, before I say anything, it's a marketable course. It's very marketable, and it's in the category of Bachelor of Law and even Bachelor of Nursing. So when you are going to study the course, have it in your mind that it is very marketable. But there are several things you have to do for you to stand out. And I did statistics in college, and I understand everything. I did it up to master's level. So in your undergraduate, what you should do, and let me prepare you before you join, know that it's a very difficult course. It's just like actuarial science. It's very difficult. To score first class or second upper needs a lot of concentration. You have to be sharp. You must be good in mathematics. Now, joining university for this course, if you did not score B+ and above in mathematics, don't waste your time, because utaenda kuteseka. It's not easy. Now, the first thing, if you are admitted, the first thing to do is to ensure that you score at least second upper division in undergraduate. Read, make sure you attend classes and you pass exam, because without scoring second upper and above, you'll find it very difficult to get a job after graduation. And as you ready to get that grade, you should also figure out which other course you must do. You cannot just graduate and come with just one paper and just say you are going to get a job. It is difficult because competition is very high. You have so many people competing for few spaces, few opportunities. Now, some of the best courses you can accompany them with statistics is actuarial certification. You can become an actuary. The second one is CFA, if you want to be financial analyst or investment analyst. Another one is CFE, Certified Fraud Examiner, if you want to be an auditor. Another one is ACCA, if you want to be an accountant. You can also do CFA if you want to be financial analyst or investment analyst. You can do CPA, which is very common among all the courses. So ensure that you do one professional course. One thing you have to know is that statistics is applied in every sector. So when you're pursuing that course, you don't know where you will land. You might land in a financial institution, and with a professional course accompanying your degree, it is very easy to adapt and to perform the functions. You can land in the health sector You can land in an insurance sector, and in insurance sector, a course like actuarial certification will place you in a better position, and you'll grow very fast. So those make sure you do a professional course, and while you're doing statistics, there you must ensure that you are good in Excel. You know the professional courses or the packages that accompany statistics. Some of the packages include the PSS of Stata. We have R. R is the best because it involves modeling, statistical modeling. You also have to understand something we call as GIS and remote sensing. It's highly applicable in NGOs and United Nations. Apart from that, you have to ensure that you have in mind something like monitoring and evaluation, which is applied in NGOs. So the best thing you should do while in college is to get at least second upper, and then you do a professional course, and you understand the statistical packages and Excel. You have to understand Excel very well. After graduation, that is where the real work comes. The good thing about statistics, as I said earlier, you can apply it anywhere. So once you graduate, come and do blind applications, get connections, and where you land is where your career starts. If you land in an insurance company, you pursue CFA, CIFA, or actuarial certification. So that is recommended. If you land in an NGO, you do what? Monitoring and evaluation, GIS, and those, and also statistical packages. If you land in the banking sector, you have ACCA, CPA, and even CFA. If you land in health sector, you can be employed in Camry. Now in health sector, like Camry, like hospitals, they need biostatistics. So what you do from there is to pursue master's profession, masters in statistics, biostatistics specifically, or biometry, which is offered in Nairobi University. Biostatistics, I just joined JQuat. So that is how you follow your career path. And in statistics, there's something you have to know, is that if you don't possess masters and PhD, you are limited in terms of salaries, because once you are employed as a statistician or data analyst, your salary will be 40,000 to 80,000 starting salary. That is what you are paid. Nobody, is very hard to get a salary of more than 120,000 when you don't possess experience. So when you get more experienced, pursue master, pursue PhD. From there, your salary continue increasing, and now that forces you to pursue further studies. Statistics is not like medicine where you finish and you finish. It's not like law where even masters is not necessary. You must do masters and if possible PhD. And in statistics, there are also numerous opportunities for lecturing. So if you finish school and within 3 years or 2 years you find that you're not getting any job, you can enroll for masters and PhD so that you can get teaching opportunity in the universities. More than 15 universities offer statistics. Now, are there jobs for statisticians? Yes, there are so many jobs, and there are so many things you can do as a statistician. As I said, every sector employs a statistician. So whenever you see management trainee jobs, just apply, because statistics is one of the courses that they prefer. So apply. There are so many jobs in NGO. Most of them are for research. Statistics, as you know, is for research. And one thing you should know, there's someone who was asking, is AI going to replace statistics? No. As you know, statistics, AI originated from statistics, Markov chain. We have AI because of statistics. And AI uses available information to do predictions and to come up with results. That's exactly what statistical softwares like R, like Stata, like what SPSS do. They predict. Even Excel, they predict. So that is generally what you call AI. So AI came as an advantage to statisticians. So there are so many opportunities for statisticians. So as a statistician, you are not going to be replaced, but you are going to get more job opportunities, especially if you are a programmer. There are so many programming opportunities online. So apart from these jobs you can do for institutions, there are online jobs. Like if you go to remote tasks, we offer several jobs for statisticians. There you can do programming, coding, and make money. They pay up to $100 per hour. So there are many jobs. So chances of getting jobs are very high compared to courses like Bachelor of Commerce, Economics, even law. Nowadays, law does not have many jobs as previously was. So statistics is very marketable. And another one asked, is applied statistics same as general statistics? Yes, there's no major difference. Applied statistics is simply how you can apply statistics in various sectors. You can apply statistics in economics, actuarial science, banking, insurance, risk management, forecasting, Nairobi Stock Exchange, cryptocurrency, and what. So there are so many opportunities. So I'll just encourage you to pursue statistics if at all you passed exam, especially mathematics. So this is one of the best courses for those ones who are good in mathematics. But if you want to earn more salaries, ensure that you progress with your studies. Don't leave it at undergraduate level. And if you want to employ yourself, there are so many ways you can employ yourself as a statistician in Kenya. You can be a content creator, like what I'm doing here. You can start your own farm company for doing projects and analyzing data for individuals and companies. That is applicable. You can be an auditor if you did CPA or ACCA. You can be an actuary. You can do academic writing. So there are so many opportunities for statistics. So in summary, statistics is a marketable course, and it's a course which is not going to be replaced by artificial intelligence.